about to get started on this job, and you can see a lot of the spalding on the bricks here, and over a period of time they'll just start to kind of pop off and create water problems into your home. And sometimes homeowners don't even notice it, but you can see there's a brand new roof. We advise of anybody doing something like this to do it before they get their roof done, so therefore when they're flashing it, you don't have to do all that work all over again, especially here, you know, in the top one as well. So for this circumstance here, we're going to do from this point of the roof up, and then we're going to be pointing up the bricks here on the bottom. And then the homeowner has like kind of like a cathedral style brick. He has an option. He can keep this, or he can go with something like what the neighbors have over there. And it's really up to them. We leave it up to the homeowners in terms of how they want to update it. But again, here we are, Art Home Solutions. If you want to get your chimney updated and repointed and it's kind of falling apart, give us a ring, 301-913-0650. We are happy to help you out.